Hi everyone, welcome to the Dave's World YouTube channel. So I had a lot of people contact me because they wanted the parts that I was making for Gen 1 and Gen 2 Cruzes, so I decided to start a website called supercruises.com. How's it going, everybody? My wife Geraldine and I are the owners of supercruises.com, and we've been expanding it dramatically these last few months, and I wanted to go over a new kit that I have for everybody. So this kit is basically the top 5 mods you should do to your Cruze when you first get the car and start doing your modding. There's 5 awesome things on here that would make your car amazing if you actually start changing them. The first thing I want to go over is this charge pipe. This charge pipe is the pipe that goes from the turbocharger down to your intercooler. The OEM one pretty much falls apart constantly. The rubber separates, it cracks, and then the seal breaks. This is an upgraded version that's designed to be more durable, and if you ever run more boost, you won't have those problems, and it's getting rid of the quick connect fittings that were normally found on the OEM one. I also wanted to point out that the charge pipe gets rid of the silencer that's on the end of the turbo, increasing horsepower, and it's also larger for more flow. Mod number 2 is going to be a wastegate. Here's an upgraded wastegate that a customer ordered that actually matches their PCV Reroute kit. This is the nice blue carbon. I want to show you on my car pretty much how you can customize things. Like, for example, I have the custom engine covers that I put out, and I started changing things over the red, so my PCV route actually has red, and then I'm going to be doing my wastegate as well. There's a new option on the website for even more customizing called version 4, where you can get some exotic colors on the cans and some pretty exotic colors for the hoses. I'm really proud of this, and I can't wait for everybody to get them. Now, mod number 3 would basically be the PCV Reroute. So the PCV Reroute kit is something I came up with that's actually designed to fix the intake gurgle noise. The original design was for fixing the intake gurgle, which I could not stand. The byproduct of that is I also discovered that there was oil being dumped into the turbocharger, which was filling up the intercooler, it was filling up the throttle body, gunking up the spark plugs, gunking up the valves. So that's why I decided to design a reroute that rerouted everything into the catch canister, and then I have a nice quick connect that you can clean it out, and then you don't have to deal with like unbolting things, and just honestly, whenever you're doing an oil change, just clean it out quickly. It takes no time. In fact, even if you bring it to a place that does services, it takes such little effort that they'll do it for you, no problem. Let me show you how that works. So the reroute is rerouted from the turbocharger and the top of the valve cover, and it brings it over to the new catch canister, which you can pretty much just pick up, drain, and put right back in the new cup. I do have a version that works with a factory air box, which puts it back here. Another product that I have in the kit is my new Super Cruze's Diverter. The Super Cruze's Diverter is a fantastic product. I originally came out with it because I was trying to figure out how to kill the train horn noise on the big turbos. So a lot of people don't realize this, but for about 5 or 6 years, big turbos on these cars would make this awful whistling noise, and it was really loud, and it was ear piercing, and a lot of people didn't like it. So I originally developed the Diverter to kill that noise, and the byproduct of it is it holds more boost. It sounds like a blow-off valve when it releases. I can make it flutter. I can make it sound like a purge. It's a really cool product, and that'll also be in the kit. You can pretty much get this kit on the website. It's called the starter mod kit, so you can order it with just the wastegate, just the diverter, just an air intake. You can order it with the diverter, wastegate, air intake, PCV reroute, or you can order it with air intake, PCV reroute, the charge pipe upgrade, the wastegate, and the cold air intake. Now, the 5th mod in this kit that I want to go over would be a cold air intake. You can see on my car, I customized my air intake to be blue because I was changing everything over to blue, but I started doing some red accents so I could take pictures for the website. Now, you can also have me customize your air intake. I'll either put an AEM style intake or this K&N style intake in the kit. It depends on whichever fits the budget. Most people buy the K&N because they like the way the K&N looks. If you're buying this kit, everything's going to work together. Everything's going to work specifically for the car. You just have to let me know if you're tuned or not. Once you let me know you're tuned and you let me know your customizations that you want, I can set everything up for you. It's on the website. Pretty much at the bottom of where you can add stuff to your car, it says, do you want something custom that's not listed? You can go right there, write it in, and just write in whatever you want. I try to give the Cruze community something cool that they've never seen before, and it's the ability to customize anything you want. You can customize any parts you want. You can customize anything on the car that you want. I'm coming out with a crazy amount of really cool products that make everything look nicer, look better, and perform better. check out supercruises.com for pretty much anything you want. A lot of these parts also fit the Malibu, the Vanderhall, the Equinox, the Terrain, and the Goblin kit car. So I'm trying my hardest to bring everybody everything they want. So thanks again, everybody. Have a very nice day.